From glowing caves to waterfalls, twice the height of skyscrapers, our planet has created masterpieces no artist could replicate. 3 of these wonders might disappear in your lifetime. Let's explore the 15 most incredible natural wonders before it's too late. Today we're counting down the greatest natural wonders across all 7 continents. These geological miracles took millions of years to form, and some are more threatened than ever. Let's dive in. Starting at 15, Victoria Falls in Africa, the largest sheet of falling water on Earth, with mist visible from 30 miles away. Number 14, Paricutin Volcano in Mexico, born in a farmer's field in 1943. Scientists watched it grow from nothing to over 1,000 feet in just 1 year. And at 13, the Great Blue Hole in Belize, a perfectly circular underwater sinkhole over 1,000 feet wide with ancient stalactites frozen at depth. Number 12 is the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, 40,000 interlocking hexagonal columns so perfect that legends claimed giants built them. They formed when volcanic lava cooled and cracked 60 million years ago. At 11, Mount Everest, still growing 4 millimeters every year. The summit is marine limestone filled with sea creature fossils, proof the highest point on Earth was once an ocean floor. And number 10, the Aurora Borealis. Solar winds colliding with our atmosphere create ribbons of green, purple, and red light dancing across Arctic skies. Nature's greatest light show. Number 9 is the Grand Canyon, 277 miles long and over a mile deep. The Colorado River spent 6 million years carving through rock that's 2 billion years old. You're literally walking through half of Earth's history. At 8, the Great Barrier Reef, visible from space and built by billions of tiny coral polyps. It's the largest living structure on Earth, home to 2,500 fish species. Sadly, half has been lost to bleaching since 1995. Number 7, the Amazon rainforest, Earth's lungs. It contains 10% of all species on the planet and produces 20% of our oxygen. But we're losing a football field of it every single second to deforestation. At 6, the Sahara Desert, almost as large as the United States. Just 6,000 years ago, this was green grassland with lakes and forests. Now it's the hottest desert on Earth, with temperatures hitting 136 degrees C and sand dunes that hum when they shift. Number 5 is Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's tallest waterfall at 3,212 feet, so high that water turns to mist before reaching the bottom. It drops from a 2 billion-year-old tabletop mountain accessible only by plane and canoe. And at 4, the Galápagos Islands, where evolution happens in real time. Walk with 500-pound tortoises, snorkel with fearless sea lions, and see species found nowhere else on Earth. The living laboratory that inspired Darwin's theory of evolution. The bronze medal goes to Antarctica, the most extreme continent on Earth. It holds 90% of Earth's ice and recorded the coldest temperature ever, -128 degrees Celsius. Emperor penguins endure months of total darkness here, and massive icebergs the size of cities float in waters that have been isolated for millions of years. It's so pure and untouched, it feels like another planet. At number 2, Iceland's volcanic landscape paired with the northern lights. This is where fire meets ice, glaciers sitting on active volcanoes that erupt every few years. Imagine standing beside steaming hot springs on black lava fields, while green and purple auroras dance overhead. You can snorkel between tectonic plates, swim in geothermal spas, and witness a landscape so alien it's been used to film other planets. And finally, number 1, the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone. From above, it looks like someone spilled a rainbow into the earth. This massive hot spring is 370 feet across, with a deep blue center surrounded by brilliant greens, yellows, oranges, and reds. The colors come from heat-loving bacteria that survive in different temperature zones. But here's what makes it truly number 1. It sits atop the Yellowstone supervolcano, one of the largest active volcanic systems on Earth. The last time it erupted 640,000 years ago, it was 1,000 times more powerful than Mount St. Helens and covered half of North America in ash. Today, over 10,000 geothermal features bubble throughout Yellowstone, more than anywhere else on Earth. The Grand Prismatic Spring represents everything incredible about our planet: beauty, power, life thriving in extreme conditions, and unimaginable forces churning beneath our feet. It's a reminder that Earth is alive, constantly changing, and more spectacular than we ever imagined. From Antarctica's frozen wilderness to Yellowstone's rainbow springs, from the tallest waterfalls to the deepest canyons, our planet is an absolute masterpiece. But many of these wonders are threatened by climate change and human activity. The Great Barrier Reef is bleaching, the Amazon is shrinking, and some of these places might not exist for future generations. If you can, make it a goal to see these wonders in person and support conservation efforts. These natural cathedrals took millions of years to create. Let's make sure they're around for millions more. Which wonder shocked you most? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.